Yo guys, I got me a little water bike and it was pretty easy to get it. There was not even a safety instruction. Man, I love this American easiness. Just here's your bike, here you go. See you in an hour. In Germany you would get like half an hour safety instruction at least. But it's pretty exhausting riding with this bike, and the sun is killing me, so probably not the best time to do that, but I do it anyway. So I'm here. I hope my skin can take 1 hour of this. Oh, look at this. What kind of birds are these? Oh, cool. Oh, swan. Or no, not a swan, a pelican, we call it. So I'm gonna ride that thing up the river. Let's see how far I can go with it. Man, I'm doing this 5 minutes and I'm already exhausted. Whew. I'm not fit anymore. Maybe I should do more cardio. Or there's some other guys. I think they are also exhausted. Alright, see you later. Yeah, I'm going up the river walk and have a different look on Tampa. Oh, maybe I should slow down a little bit. Whew. Huh. If I can, there are rules on which side I have to drive. Probably not. So maybe go more in the shadow. I think my skin will be thankful for that. I think I should apply some sunscreen. The sun here is so crazy. I bought me this 70. I've never seen that before. And it's pretty cool. It's like this stick here and you can apply it and you don't have to make your hands dirty. Yeah, like I told you before, I'm kind of a super whitey. Oh, let me just a second. Maybe I should have taken one of those electric boats. But they're a little bit more expensive, but I think I'm not gonna go for long anyways. Hitting the low waters. Let's make a U-turn. Hope I'm not gonna crash this bridge here. Whew. All right, let's go on this journey. Oh, over there's this sailing ship. Let's approach it. I think it takes a while. Slowly but constantly. Is this a real ship? Just show Oh, there's a heli over there. Oh, that's a hospital. I don't think that was a real ship. Let's go to this bird here. Let's see who's faster. Slowly approaching. If he knows what's coming for him. Oh, and he's gone. Where is he? Oh, here. Trying to trick me. And gone. Let's see where he's going. I think he's going there. Whew. Let's see who wins this game. He's very, very long underwater. Oh, there he is. What I think. I will never reach him. Such a smart animal. Smarter than me. Yeah. I'm pretty dumb, but not so dumb that I don't know that I'm dumb. Hello guys. Oh, I was too close. You can go back. They're still following. You're lucky. I didn't ride to Germany. Ah, I tried it, but the sun was too hot.
That would have taken you a long time, my friend. All you gotta do is come straight in here.
Straight? Okay.
You can parallel park if you want, but if you come out and straight, I can turn it.
Well, let's try. Check my skills. My driving skills.
How was it, man? Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was cool, but my skin can't take the sun anymore, I guess.
Well, I got some suntan lotion.
Yeah, I have it, but I'm not used to the sun, you know.
Oh, I hear you.
Not to that extreme sun here.
It's definitely warmer here than Germany, yeah?
Oh, of course. And New York also.
Alright, so I'm gonna park you right here.
Alright.
And then do me a favor when you jump out and just don't hook your foot underneath this rope.
Okay.
Right here. And I'm actually
Just put that
I'm gonna grab this so you don't float away on me.
Alright.
Alright, Mo, you got all your stuff out of there?
Yes.
Cell phone, wallet, car keys?
Oh, everything.
Everything except your ID, which is what I got, right?
Yeah. Oh. Does it get colder here than this, or is this?
There's a couple of days like January, February, it gets like in the 40s and 50s.
Okay.
The ones down there are electric.
Yeah.
The little green ones are gas.
Oh, okay.
So the guy who owns the water bikes is also the same guy that owns the bike or the green boats.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, so next time you could do one of those little green boats.
Yeah.
You know, there's a 15 horsepower boat and a 9.9 horsepower boat. Yeah. We do those about a half hour, and 2 hours.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, because I have a lot of overtime I have to get rid until March. So maybe come here again if I have a few days.
Yeah, we're open.
It's a quick journey here.
We're open 7 days a week.
3-hour flight.
So the only time we really close, honestly, is like if there's really severe weather, you know, like hurricanes or something. But we're here on like, I worked on Thanksgiving, so you know, we're here all the time.
All right, cool.
We'll be here on New Year's, all that stuff. Or if there's a boat show. Sometimes there's a boat show. Yeah. Or like Gasparilla, which is kind of like Mardi Gras here.
Okay.
They'll close us down.
Have you ever come to Gasparilla?
No. Well, when is it?
January 31st.
The last Saturday of January, right?
Yeah, last Saturday of January.
Okay, so it's going crazy here.
Parade in the country. Yes.
Okay.
It's kind of like,
maybe check
Mardi
that
Gras?
out. No.
In New Orleans?
No.
Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
It's just like that.
Okay, so a crazy thing.
Crazy fun. A lot of drinking.
All right. Cool.
People dress in pirate stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So definitely Google Gasparilla.
Gasparilla. All right. We'll do that.
You got it, Mo.
Well, enjoy
All right.
your visit here.
to New York or just home?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Once again, Mo, appreciate you, buddy. Stay out of trouble.
See ya. Maybe in January.
Yeah, we'll be here.
All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, that was definitely a fun thing to do, but the sun is killing me right now, so I had to go back. Didn't use the whole hour. It costs me, I think, $31 for 1 hour. That's okay. And these motorboats are a little bit more expensive. I think $40 half an hour. So maybe I should have done that. Half an hour would be enough. All right, I'm heading home. A little bit exhausted. And see you later. Ciao, ciao. Oh, I want to go to the other side where the sea is. What the fuck? I think I'm not supposed to drive here because it doesn't work anymore. I think the trick is, with these no driving zones, just drive in and never stop. Then you can drive.
Now we're coming to the living area again. All the big mansions. Oh, I think over there. That might be a good area to live.
These brakes sucks.
Just living the good life. That was close.
Ooh, a fucked up street. Whoop. Damn it. Whoa. I just wanted to show you my apartment because some of you might be interested in that. And yeah, let's go. The living room, just show you the bathroom first. It's a small one. Unfortunately, no window, but yeah, also washing machine, some storage, yes. Yeah, the living room and kitchen, pretty big. And everything really nice. Yeah, I pay around, what's here? Oh, nothing. I pay around $100 a night. I think that's, yeah, what you have to pay in US at least. I mean, you can go a little bit cheaper, but then you don't have your own bathroom, just a room. And I think this is a good price for this year. The bedroom, also very big. Another storage. Okay. And I prefer going to an Airbnb. I don't really like hotels. With an Airbnb, with our own apartment, it feels more like living at the place. The bed is also very comfortable. I had a very good sleep because it's so quiet here. Until people start to move in the house, because everything is like, yeah, not the best quality, but that's how it is in US. It also has a good location in Hyde Park. It's more like a living area. A few restaurants, bars and stores are around, so you don't have to go far. Otherwise, you, like I told you, you need like a car here because public transportation is like not existent. And yeah, otherwise the transportation gets really expensive because you always have to take Ubers or scooters or something, because the distances are also very, very long. Okay, that's it for my apartment here. I'll see you around.